Here we are, you can hear the engine, it's running as rough as anything. I'm now trying to find out what the problem is. So I'm going to 35, 37, 35, 16. So it looks like number one is failing. I'm only guessing at the moment. I don't want to strip everything down until I'm sure, but I've just figured out what I'm doing here, and hopefully I will get back to you with the results of as you can see, 18, 14. There we go. I've now concluded that it's injector number one. So I'll forward this email. Bye.